Hello and welcome to this tutorial video as we explore Lumio's new widget features. I am Kyle Krenz, a technology integrationist with SWWC. Earlier in the school year, Lumio content designers released a useful handful of widgets that beta users could use when presenting a live session from within Lumio. Since that time, designers have added a number of widgets you as an educator can have access to during a live session. The previous timer, traffic light spinner, and dice widgets that were previously only for users who had their beta testing features turned on are now accessible for all users of Lumio. The newest widgets are called Spotlight, Screen Shade, Scoreboard, and Sticky Note. These newest widgets are only available to users of Lumio that has their beta features turned on. To access these features, make sure your beta features are turned on. To do this, go to your account icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen and click. From the drop-down menu, click Join Lumio Beta. A window will open. Toggle the switch to the right to access all the new features Lumio places into beta testing before releasing to general users. Once turned on, you can access any of the newest features released by Lumio. To access the widgets, you will need to take a file into live mode, as if you were presenting and having students connect. Once live, on the left side toolbar on the presented slide, click the emoji image icon. Once you do, a small toolbox icon will appear. Click this and another small sidebar window will appear with all 8 widget options for you to choose from. Time to quickly go through each new widget and what it can do. First, if you click on the Spotlight widget, this will throw up a highlighted spotlight box on the screen. This can help direct those students who need additional help and instructions on where to click on a particular page, or if you need to highlight important information. Next is the Screen Share widget. This feature can be used to hide the content of pages. This could be useful in making sure students do not work ahead, or getting students to focus on oral instructions rather than interacting with their connected screens. The next new widget is the Scoreboard widget. If you click on this, a small window will be added to your live page. This scoreboard can be used if one of your pages has a game or competition on it that a scorekeeper is needed for. You can add more teams via the plus icon and change the names of each team by clicking your cursor into the team namespace and changing them to your liking. Finally, the last new widget option is the Sticky Note option. The small yellow pad box will be added to your live page, and in the yellow space in the box, you can add text to them to create a message. This widget may be useful to a teacher to make note of a change that is needed for a particular page, or to make note of a comment or question a student has posed, and the teacher would want to remember it in the future. All of these new features can be useful to educators at differing times while presenting content in Lumio. As a reminder, your beta features must be turned on, and you must be in live present mode to access these new widgets. You can find other helpful tutorial videos like this one by visiting and subscribing to our YouTube channel, SWWC Technology Integration. Thank you for your time and attention.